Okay, hindi, ito talaga yung tanong sa'yo. Kung sumakay ka sa bus na punuan, umaasa ka pa bang may lalaking mag-aalok sa'yo ng upuan? Kung sumakay ka sa bus na punuan, umaasa ka pa bang may lalaking mag-aalok sa'yo ng upuan? Kung sumakay ka sa bus na may upuan...
Hindi mo nasagot eh.
Hindi mo nasasagot eh.
Ito, kung sumakay ka sa bus na may upuan, may lalaki bang punuan?
Hindi ba yan?
Hindi, mali. Oh. Nag-expect ka ba na merong lalaking, ay, ma'am, ikaw na lang."
Gentleman,
Yes.
gentleman.
Well, as someone who always commutes on a daily basis, I don't really expect that much from them to give me their seat because I am not a person like, I'm not pregnant, I'm not a person with disability, and those are for people that is, those are reserved seats for them. And of course, hindi porket babae ka, ikaw lang dapat yung nakaupo because they were there first. So why would I take their seats? Why would I expect them to give them their seats back to someone like me, nakakapasok ko pa lang. Di ba po? So, ayun po. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Lovelyn Sing!
Ngayon naman, tanongin natin kung ano man sabi niya, Chief Filomeno.
Feeling niya perfect yung sagot niya. Ayaw niya nang makinig. Comment. Sabi niya,
May comment
"Hindi kailangan
pa
comment ko.
rin.
Alam ko perfect yung sagot ko. I don't need your comment. Pag hindi ako nanalo, it's on
Gusto
you.
niya ng comment. May comment.
Sige na yan. Uupo na siya doon. Oo, nasa ng trono, akong nanalo.
Baka siya yung endorser.
Oo,
so-
siya.
Pumunta lang po ako.
No, it's okay.
Okay lang, alam ko tinawag ka ng friends mo.
Hindi pala natin nakikita yung
And
friends.
kasi yung group of
Chi!
friends niya.
Hello, sexy babe, Lovelyn.
Hello po.
Sobrang lovable rather, kasi Lovelyn ka. And yung eyes mo since yesterday, pinapanood ko yung VTR. Yung eyes mo, very mesmerizing siya. And feel ko ang dami din naming natutunan sa'yo. Yes, you own the stage. That's yours. You're the sexy babe. So congrats, Lovelyn.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Chi, at sa ating sexy babe number 5, Lovelyn Sing.